The Sabbath mode sets the oven to remain on in a bake setting until turned off. When the Sabbath mode is set, only the bake cycle will operate. All other cooking and cleaning cycles are disabled. To disable Sabbath mode. Press the Settings key and then arrow keys until Preferences appears on the screen, then press the Confirm menu button. Use the arrow keys to navigate to Sabbath mode, then press the Confirm menu button. Press Confirm menu once the Set Sabbath option appears on the display. The Sabbath mode will remain active for 72 hours or until manually turned off. Long press the Cancel button to deactivate Sabbath mode.